Welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we are working out how to find smallest and largest numbers in complicated sequences like this, where you have exponents and roots and exponents. So let's get straight into it with the first one. We have the cube root of 2, square root of 3, and the cube root of 4. Solving this will be almost impossible. So let's make it as easy as possible. The first thing we need to note here are the root numbers here. The root numbers are 3, 2, and 3. We need to find the LCM of these numbers, which happens to be 3 into 2, which is 6. Alright, and now we have to convert these numbers into, because we have 6 as the LCM, we have to convert them to the 6th root. Alright, the 6th root, and I'll show you how to do that. Now 3 in we keep the 2 here. All right, 3 into what gives me 6? 3 into 2 gives me 6. So this 2 becomes the power here. Next number we write the 3 here. 2 into what gives me 6? 2 into 3 gives me 6. So we put the third power here. Then the next one we bring the 4 down. 3 into what gives me 6? 3 into 2 gives me 6. So 4 gets the second power. Now this makes it so much easier. They're all under the same power. This is 2 squared is 4. 3 to the power of 3 is 27 and 16. Since they are all under square root of 6, it's so easy to find the largest and the smallest. So the largest number will be this number, which is 2 root 3, and the smallest number will be this number, which is 3 root 2. Largest and smallest. I hope this makes it easy for you to solve this pattern of problems. Let's do another one just for practice. All right, here we have 3rd root of 4, 4th root of 6, 6th root of 15, and 12th root of 245. First step we learned is to find the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 12. The LCM happens to be 12. So we start again. We want 12th root with the 4, 12th root with the 6, 12th root with the 15, and the 12th root with the 245. Okay, so let's see. 3 times what gives me 12? 3 times 4. So the 4, we put 4 to the power of 4. 4 times what gives me 12? 4 times 3 gives me 12. We put this to the power of 3. 6 times what gives me 12? 6 times 2 we put to the power of 2. And 12 times 1 is 1. So I leave it as it is. Now let's solve all these. And then we have the 12th root of 4 to the power of 4 is 256. 12th root of 6 to the power of 3 is 216. 12th root of 15 squared is 225. And the 12th root of 245. Now we can easily find the smallest and the largest number. We see the smallest number is this, and the largest number is right here. Largest number. So your smallest number was 4 root 6. And your largest number was 3rd root of 4 and 4th root of 6. Sorry. Another one. Here we go. If you're supposed to find the smallest and largest number of this set of numbers, let's get into it. We have 2 to the power of 250, 3 to the power of 150, 5 to the power of 100, 4 to the power of 200. Wow, can we solve this? There are 2 ways to do this. Let's do the first one. The first method is try to find something common in all these powers that you see here. I can see 50 is common in them. All right, so let's write it out. 2 to the power of 50 times 5. All right, the next one, 50 times 3. The next number, 2 times 50. The last number, 4 times 50. Go through this once more. 5 times 50 gives me 250. 3 times 50 gives me 150. 2 times 50 gives me 100. 4 times 50 gives me 200. We try to find a number which is divisible by all your powers here, which happen to be 50. All right. Then we write this out as 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 50, 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 50, 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 50, 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 50. Can you see it coming out now? It's going to be very easy to solve. 2 to the power of 5 happens to be 32 to the power of 50. 3 to the power of 3 is 27 to the power of 50. 5 squared is 25 to the power of 50. And 4 to the power of 4 is 256 to the power of 50. Can you tell me which is the smallest number now? Easy, 25. This is the smallest and this is the largest. So the smallest number in your sequence was 5 to the power of 100. And the largest number was 4 to the power of 200. I hope this helps you out. Let me show you the other way to solve this, which I think many of you would like. All right, here we go. Let's look at all the powers that we have here. 250, 150, 100 and 200. Let's just cancel all the zeros. We're left with 2 to the power of 25, 3 to the power of 15, 5 to the power of 10, 4 to the power of 20. Again, we find a common multiple here, which is 5. We divide everything by 5. We get 5, 3, 2 and 4. We are left with 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 2 and 4 to the power of 4, similar to what we did just in the previous step here. All right, so 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 5 is 25 and 256. We got the same answers. This is the least and this is the largest and this is the smallest. We got the same answer but using a different technique. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching Math Made Easy with Frida. Till next time, bye.